Your new Motorola smartphone has even more power than you think. Now you can unleash its potential with Ready For, which amplifies your phone's capabilities on any TV or computer. All features on Ready For are now available wirelessly. Swipe down from the top and press the Ready For tile. Then select your TV or monitor when it appears. You can connect to any TV or monitor that supports Miracast technology. From there, your phone screen acts as a trackpad for scrolling and a keyboard for typing. Ready For entertainment can be a lifesaver. Transport your favorite shows and movies over to the big screen with a few quick taps and give yourself a more comfortable viewing experience. When you're enjoying mobile games with 5G speeds and a lightning-fast processor, you can raise the bar even higher with Ready For Gaming. Treat yourself to a console-like experience and gain a whole new perspective. You can even connect a Bluetooth controller for added precision. And with Ready For Video Chat, move your video calls to the big screen so it feels like you're right there in the same room. For content creators, Ready For takes advantage of your Moto phone's rear camera, giving you the highest quality footage possible. Plus, advanced subject tracking will automatically keep you in frame. This comes in handy if your personal film crew is unavailable. Then there's Ready For PC, which lets you do twice as much. Connect to your PC by scanning the QR code, and you can instantly access all your phone apps and PC files on the same screen. Quickly move information back and forth between your devices. Enjoy your favorite mobile apps on the same eye line as your expense reports. Finally, you can use your Motorola device as a high-res webcam for sharper results than a typical built-in camera. Give yourself more room to work and play with Ready For by Motorola.